I'm Joanne Banko. I got a style tip for you today on dressing up ready-made blouses. Take a look at the blouses that I have over here. I've got blank to beautiful, and I did it all by adding decorative stitches. So consider purchasing a blank plain blouse and then embellishing collar, cuffs, borders on the area where it closes. You're going to want some stabilizer. If you want stabilizer that disappears, use wash away or liquid to stiffen your fabric, or a tear away, but remember the tear away will show a little bit on the wrong side. Think about areas that are already stable, like collars and cuffs, and then do a little practice on a scrap. Let's go over to the machine and I'll show you a couple things you could do with the decorative stitches. All right, I've already selected my decorative stitch and I have chosen it from the menu. One of my favorites, I'm going to show you an entire short row with this decorative stitch, but in a second I want to show you that we can also do this as a single pattern. That's perfect if you want to decorate areas with between the buttonholes or anything like that. So if I just go ahead and switch to single pattern, that'll finish out at a single pattern, tie itself off, and then I can simply measure that area and see where that row or single pattern or decorative stitch will fit onto my ready-made blouses. Make a blouse beautiful with this quick, easy style tip.